Hi there, students. To whoop it up. Okay, an informal phrase to say to have a good time, to party, to go out and paint the town red. Um, okay, so to have a great time, to party, perhaps with excessively noisily as well. So after exams, the students all went to whoop it up. The verb to whoop. Woo, woo, woo. It's like a whoop. That's the idea of whoop. So to whoop it up, to celebrate loudly, noisily. Yeah. So on the Saturday night, people go into the centre of town to whoop it up, to celebrate in a noisy way. Okay, so to whoop it up. Notice as well, the Americans also use this phrase, meaning to bring enthusiasm into a group of people. So the group were rather depressed, and I needed somebody to whoop it up, to get them more enthusiastic. Campaign workers are trying to whoop it up to generate enthusiasm in their candidate. But notice this is American. I would use whoop it up as a Brit, just meaning to celebrate noisily, to party, to have a really good time. So what do you do when you want to whoop it up? Do you go dancing? Do you have a party with your friends? Okay, so to whoop it up. The crowd whooped it up when the singer came on stage. Yeah, they were really happy. They were celebrating. I think when finally this epidemic comes to an end, we are going to have to whoop it up. Okay, so notice as well, whoop, a regular verb. They whooped it up. They whooped it up all night. When your neighbours whoop it up, maybe you can't sleep and you've still got to go to work the next day. So what about formality? Whoop it up. This is an informal phrasal verb, 3.75, something like that. Use it in an informal conversation, but not in anything semi-formal or more than that. And then, well, the origin, well, the verb to whoop, woo, woo, woo. This is pure onomatopoeia. And when people are partying, when they're whooping it up, they probably whoop quite a lot, okay? So, onomatopoeia. Okay, so to whoop it up, to celebrate, to enjoy oneself. It doesn't necessarily mean just party, though. When the speaker started to explain some interesting things about bees, he whooped it up. He really enjoyed it. Okay, so you can actually just use it for to really enjoy. Maybe tonight you could whoop it up watching my videos. Okay, so to whoop it up, an informal way of saying to enjoy oneself, to party, to have a good time. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, whoop it up. Woo, woo, woo.